alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is one of the constructions that we're doing for one of the brothers who's got 12 members of his family. Inshallah, we're building a room for him and a bathroom and a toilet with a kitchen as well, inshallah. So construction work has started. Alhamdulillah, I'm going back today, but I'm glad the construction work has started. We've started over in Sang as well. We've got another 2 to start as well, inshallah, and we're hoping to help more and more individuals. So if you keep donating, inshallah, we can start constructing and building more homes for more individuals that have been affected by this disaster, this earthquake, so that they can be safe, inshallah, before the winter hits here in Pakistan, and they can be out their tents, inshallah.